Hello friends, just have finished some work here, but some project is also ready to be started. Guys, here you can see that I'm working on my car today. Great working day, by the way. And I finally replaced the mirrors. Here you can see the driver side is made by Ulo from Hungary, original equipment. Guys, you'd better to remove this plastic cover from the mirror and then change the element rather than to do it on the whole assembly. It is very difficult to do that, especially it is difficult for me, and that's why I recommend this. I also changed here the second passenger side mirror. Here I installed original genuine Mercedes one, but as I already mentioned in my previous videos, this is also made by Ulo, made in Hungary. Now I have both two brand new mirror elements on my car, and I'm very happy. This is driver side, and this is passenger side. You can see here the part numbers and all of the stuff regarding these items. But now I am ready to start the new project. Stay tuned, and I switch on that very soon. So here we are, my friends. Here you can see my new part, which I have got, of course, from Germany. This is not new old stock. The top is new and the bottom is old. This is a windshield, front windshield top covering. This is very strange that older is silver almost, and the new one is black. Here you can see the part number. Mercedes CPC shows the one part number and it don't shows any other options. To remove that panel, guys, you must first remove this panels from the roof. They have some clips on the roof which attach this panel on the chassis itself, and then you must remove this front windshield panel with gentle way, not to damage anything. Here I'm trying my best to do this job very gentle. Here is the final result, guys. I installed this cover very gently. It has 5 attaching points. You must push with your hand very gently and it will be installed. I also reassembled everything, and now I like very much the look of it. It looks very solid, not silver. This is black, but I think the fitment and the look is superb here. Brand new part with all the rubber sealings on it, and I'm very happy with the result in overall. Here I want to point out that it is a good time to clean all these channels, guys. There was a lot of dust here and I removed it as I could. So guys, I have done the job. I'm very happy now. Still have some parts in my garage to install on my car. This will be shown in the next videos. If you have any questions regarding to the installment process, please ask. I will be glad to answer. I haven't showed you everything detailed here because I had not time for it, but I'm glad to help you. Any questions, please write them down below to the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe, and catch you in the next episodes. Goodbye.